Do you want to know which colors are trending in the spring-summer season? If yes, then stick around and you'll find out everything in this video. Welcome back everyone! It's been a while since we've been here, but don't worry, we're still slowly making our way back and have a lot of exciting updates for you. So grab a cup of coffee and spend some time together. Coffee is ready, so first let's talk about our cards themselves. Earth Day is approaching and we want to show you how important it is to us, because we have a quartz made from 100% recycled cotton, and Earth Day is every day in our company. The recycled material which is used for making our quartz came from factory waste or the consumer waste, for example, old clothing or fibers. We also don't use any chemicals or water to creating our quartz. We want to minimize energy consumption and CO2 emissions. All of the Bobbiny quartz are granted with certificate OXOTEX standard 100 in first class. They may be safely used for toddlers or people with allergies. It's completely safe for your health. If you want to read more about our recycling process, go to our website and see the recycling tab. There is more information about it. All of the links I mentioned in this film are in the description below. Speaking of sustainability, we can mention the new color of the year, Pantone 2026, Cloud Dancer. Every year we've added a new Pantone Color, but this year we made an exception due to sustainability we've discussed before. We also have colors that embodies Pantone's color of the year. For example, natural, cashmere beige, or off-white, which is very similar to this year's Pantone's color of the year. We want to focus on showcasing their potential instead of making another color which is very similar to the Pantone's Cloud Dancer and, for example, our off-white. What do you think of this approach? Let us know in the comments. As you may or may not know, we have a two permanent collection: spring and summer, that's the first one, and autumn and winter, that's the second one. So we have two in a year. They are released annually and we designed the color palettes based on your needs, on the trends and also on the nature. A while back we launched our new Spring-Summer 2026 collection, and these are three colors: Jelly Mint, Dusty Rose and Cashmere Beige. We really believe those colors are trending and will take a world of crafters by storm. Let's talk about each of them. Jelly Mint, a delicate light color with a subtle creamy character, fresh and airy, yet calm and gentle. Dusty Rose, a subtle pink with a slight hint of grey and beige. This shade brings freshness and a delicate color accent, adding expressiveness to designs without overwhelming them. Cashmere Beige, an elegant, timeless beige with a delicate cashmere character. This shade brings warmth, peace and subtle coziness to the interior, giving the space an exceptionally comfortable atmosphere. If you're wondering what you can create with all those colors, go and check our social media for more inspiration. Here. Let's talk about our patterns. Our patterns are detailed instruction for both beginners and also advanced crafters. At the beginning we started with 3 patterns, but some time ago we decided to launch something we called premium patterns. We did this for creators who want to make more elaborate and complex projects, but don't worry, if you're a beginner and you want to try it also, you can easily try it, because you can find there all the instruction step by step, the same as in the basic pattern. We really encourage all of the crafters to try the premium patterns, no matter if you're a beginner or advanced artist. Go to our website and click the Patterns tab. You can see basic and premium patterns there, ready to download. Unfortunately, our coffee break is coming to an end, but we really introduce you to follow our channel and see more and more Bobbiny news videos. Follow our social media to stay up to date. Bye! Thanks for watching!